welcome to Brick Joy everyone! Today we are unboxing LEGO DUPLO 10904. The set is named Baby Animals. Let's see the baby animals. First off, we have a baby elephant. He loves flowers and playing with them. The other one is a white tiger and he is the elephant's best friend. Let's build a tree for them. Now that we have the tree, the baby giraffe came to see if she can reach its top. We have a bamboo stick too, because it is the panda bear's favorite. And the pink flower. Let's see if we can build something different for our new friends. The baby panda wants to sit on the back of the elephant. It looks like the baby tiger wants to play with the pink flower too. Now, let's play a little game. Who has a very long neck and can reach the top of the tree sometimes? It is our friend, the giraffe. Now, do you know who loves to eat bamboo? You got it, it's the panda bear. Do you know which one of our friends loves playing with water and with a pink flower? It's the baby elephant. And which one of the four is white and has some black streaks on the fur? Yes, it is the white tiger. Our friends are going to play all day long in the green grass. Until next time, press the like button if you've liked our video. And for more videos about other LEGO sets, subscribe to our channel. Goodbye everyone!